21 years sucking fat out of billionaires' wives. Yet no one believes me when I tell them this. Frozen blueberries on an empty stomach flush your gut and flatten your belly. They're rich in bromelain, which breaks down trapped food and gas. One of my favorite tricks? Lemon mint tea. I call it nature's Ozempic. It helps flatten your stomach even without cardio. Pineapple and cucumber salad acts like a natural laxative, clears your gut, makes you feel 10 pounds lighter. Here's what no one talks about. Dish pods leave chemicals like phthalates and benzotriazole. Over time, they mess with digestion hormones and gut health. That's why I use Puriforia, dissolvable sheets with no harsh additives. They leave zero residue, so nothing unwanted ends up in your body.